Dear students, now it's page number 9, Unit 1, English. First question is translate the following passage from English to Urdu. I'll read the English version and then give you the Urdu translation. Tolerance means the ability or willingness to endure the existence of opinions or behavior that one dislikes or disagrees with. People who have less of this ability easily fall prey to aggression, haste, reactions, anger, and all other negative attitudes. Tolerance is one of the paths of winning Allah's will and happiness. In the Holy Quran, Allah has guaranteed those who are patient that He will give them reward without measure. Now the Urdu translation is, रवादारी का मतलब एक ऐसी अहलियत या रजामंदी है जिसके ज़रिए एक फ़र्द आरा की मौजूदगी या किसी के रवैये को जिसको वो नापसंद हो या उससे मुत्तफ़िक ना हो को बर्दाश्त करे। वो लोग जिनमें ये अहलियत कम हो वो आसानी के साथ तशद्दुद या जुल्म, उजलत, गैज़ो गज़ब और मनफी रवैये का शिकार होते हैं। रवादारी के ज़रिए हम अल्लाह ताला की रज़ामंदी और खुशनुदी हासिल कर सकते हैं। अल्लाह ताला ने सब्र करने वालों की ज़मानत ली है और वो उन्हें बड़े इनाम से नवाजेगा इंशाअल्लाह। Okay, now grammar part. Change the following sentences from singular to plural or from plural to singular. A book is a good friend. Books are good friends. A small car is a great vehicle. Small cars are great vehicles. Are the students in the classrooms? Is the student in the classroom? These glasses aren't for those women to wear. Now these are spectacles. आंखें नज़र की ऐनकें. These glasses will remain these glasses only. This glass नहीं हो सकता, ऐनकों को नहीं कह सकते. These glasses aren't for that woman to wear. The brush is under the chair. The brushes are under the chairs. Tell the students that in order to translate a passage from English to Urdu, they should use the knowledge of literal and figurative meaning, grammatical, gender and syntax. Urdu has a gender system which has only two genders, masculine and feminine. There is no neuter gender but are several words to translate passage from English to Urdu. Understand that most phrases and idioms do not translate literally from one language to another. Remind the students kinds of nouns and number of nouns. Now it's page number 10. Part B. Choose whether the following nouns are concrete or abstract nouns. The first one is love. Love is abstract noun. Book, concrete noun. Girl, concrete noun. Intelligence, abstract noun. Mouse, concrete noun. Loyalty, abstract noun. Laptop, concrete noun. Peace, abstract noun. Part C. Choose whether the following nouns are countable or uncountable. Also use the words and sentences of your own. Coffee, uncountable. Tea, uncountable. Boy, countable. Soap, countable. Table, countable. Car, countable. Honey, uncountable. Keyboard, countable. Coffee, I have coffee in the morning. Tea, my mother likes tea. Boy, he is a good boy. Soap, I use soap to wash my hands. Table, the book is on the table. Car, my father has a red car. Honey, I have honey at breakfast. Keyboard, he is using the keyboard. Part D. Fill in the blanks with a noun. Use each noun only one time. Chairs, information, hair, luggage, furniture. I don't have much luggage. It's just 2 small bags. They are going to tell you all you want to know. They are going to give you a lot of information. There is room for everybody to sit down. There are a lot of chairs. We have no furniture, not even a bed or a table. What does Arif look like? He's got a long beard and very short hair. Complete the following sentences by using the following collective nouns: flock, herd, swarm, bouquet, gang. A swarm of locusts attacked the crops. A flock of birds is always a beautiful sight. They welcomed the chief guest with a bouquet of flowers. As we drove down the countryside, we saw a herd of sheep grazing in the fields. The gang of thieves has been arrested by the police. Now the last page is nouns that change meaning in the plural form. Singular, arm, part of body. Plural, arms, weapons. Singular, glass, a drinking container. Plural, glasses, glasses for eyes. Singular, content, in a state of peaceful state of mind. Plural, contents, the things that are included in something. Singular, spectacle, a visually striking performance. Plural, spectacles, a pair of glasses. Use the above words and sentences to make their meaning clear in singular and plural form. My arm is aching. My father has lots of arms. Glass, I drink water in a glass. She is wearing her glasses. Content, the content of the book is interesting. The contents of this book contain a lot of different subjects. Singular, spectacle. It was a beautiful spectacle when I went to see the dam. Spectacles. My mother has lost her spectacles. Noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words which function as a noun in a sentence. For example, springtime is the most beautiful. Beyond was a green and pleasant valley. Pick out noun phrases from the following sentences. I expect our team to win. Do you know his age? Your coming poses a problem for us. His parents hoped for his success. She would not admit her guilt. Now we are done with the exercise of the first unit.